Yo, what's up guys? So, maglalaro tayo ng another Roblox episode. So, ang lalaro natin ngayon ay yung Terminal 13. So, di ko pa siya nalalaro. Ayan, kita nyo naman, 0. Ngayon ko pa lang siya itatry. And, hindi ko lang kung makakatakot talaga. Try natin mag-solo muna. And, anong oras na eh. Try natin siya na madaling araw. Tingnan natin kung kakayanin natin. Para siyang ano guys, yung game na to para siyang That's Not My Neighbor or That's Not My Neighbor. Ganun yung game niya pero horror. So kailangan natin galingan. Let's go. Yun na guys. Kailangan natin galingan. Kawawa tayo eh. Nung oras na guys madaling araw na eh. Tapos lalaroin pa natin to. Yan na, night shift. Okay. Nandito tayo. Enter your office. Wait. Yan.
Welcome, valued employee. This is your first night on duty here at Terminal
may
13.
learn na konti dito sa game na to.
Travelers will arrive at your counter
Parang
and
ginaya
scan
niya
their
yung isang game.
passport.
Nakalimutan ko ng tawag yun. Pero parang That's Not
Their
Neighbor,
data and travel
neighbor nga
details
siya.
will appear on your
That's
monitor.
Not My Neighbor.
This is very important. Your job is to ask a few
Kaya,
questions
bukas
to
lang
make
natin
sure
sila,
the
guys.
answers match their data. If everything checks out, accept the traveler's
Hindi
passport
ko alam
and
ito.
let them through. Occasionally, something won't feel right or their story will not line up. In that case, do not hesitate to reach for the gun below your counter. Be careful. Some will not be who they say they are. If you let one of those through, the company insurance will not cover what happens next.
Oh my god.
Good luck, and thank you for keeping our country safe.
Hello mom and sir. Are they saying the truth? Pasok na po kayo. Hello ma'am. Street Olsen. Norway, yes. It's very dark winter but cozy things to make up. Yan. Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Creepy ng game. Hello, sir. Impostor. Look worry. Siguro hindi na. Bye-bye. My God. Kayo lalapit. Babariling ko kayo. Look eh. Hanggang ganyan bro. Ang oras na. Dr. Ethan Cole. I'm here for the next 2 weeks. Exactly. Proud. Reason? Anong reason mo, boss? Networking with other professional? Wala namang naiiba sa mukha mo. Pasungan ka ba din? Pasok ka na, boss. Next. Hello, sir. Taro Sato. Evening, how's your ship treating you? Okay lang naman. I'm from Japan. It's a lot more vibrant and bustling back home. That is for sure. I'll be here for about 3 months. I'm a bartender back home. I'm traveling around learning about different drinks and techniques. Thank you. Nakakabahan ako ah. Creepy naman ang mukha mo, boy. Uy, yun. Harold Green. Born and raised in Ireland. Alam mo, boss. Okay lang naman. Hindi siya impostor, guys. So, okay. Yung creepy ng mukha mo, boy. Okay. Hey, boss. Good luck. Creepy ng mukha mo eh. Baka kayo tumawa dyan. Masama yun ha. Alam mo yung feeling na bumababa insanity mo kasi madaling araw ka nag-record. Tapos mag-isa ka lang. Darius Hall. I'm American in New York now based in Chicago. Kayo maingay. I should visit. I'll be heading back home in a week. Financial helping companies investment. Okay? Okay. Sige, ingat po kayo. Oy! Bawal tumawa. Tatawanan din kita. Huwag mo akong maganyan-ganyan. Mababaril kita. Next. Uy. Parang alam ko na to. Sabi ni.
Warning. Chemical contamination at Terminal 13. Reset ventilation systems immediately.
Aray. Masakit ha.
Ventilation systems have been reset. Return to your designated post.
Balik na tayo dun guys. Balik na tayo. Next, sir. Reginald Tuxedo. My God. Lang, sir ha. Bawal kumanyan. Pabarilin ko kayo dyan. Now our specific edges appeared one day. Ano? Poster ko, sir eh. Tensya na, sir. Kailangan lang. Diba? Diba? Sabi sa iyo eh. Trabaho lang, sir. Next day. Ano to? Uy, thank you sa tip.
Hello, night shift operative. You now have access to the X-ray scanner. When a traveler stands at the counter, press the button to activate the scan. The scanner will reveal the traveler's skeleton. Use this to detect anomalies that the eye cannot see. Good luck.
Okay, next customer, please. Pasok na po kayo. Hello, sir. Uy, ba't iba yung mukha mo, sir? Nagbago. Ay, hindi yung kanina pala yun. Si Tuxedo pala yun. Bruce Bluey Harrison. Hindi. Sydney, Australia, mate. Just a few weeks actually passing through on business. Reason, job mo, sir. Engine. Car salesman ka. Iba ang mechanic sa car salesman. I relocate here with the dealership, expanding our reach, you know. Mukhang delicate sa'yo, sir, ah. Sabi ni. Sir, paalam. Paalam po. Huwag na po maingay. Kapag pinatahimik po, tahimik na. Oh my God. Alistair Finch. Okay. Uy! Nakamaingay. Mababaril kita. My family has been living in the England for generation actually. Stay for a full academic year and then see what happens. I teach English literature and composition to high school students, okay? I enjoy sharing literature with students. It's rewarding. Punta tayo nito. Kailangan natin yan. Mahalaga yan, boy. Need to see your night going smooth. From the Heartland, Central USA. Halata naman, sir. Duration ni sir. Schedule, rotation ni roughly 6 months. So, job ni sir. Infantry. Sector for security protocols. Si sir, pasok na po. Oh, magulo. Naku, style mo, bulok. Ito na. Mimi ka dyan. Hello, Sai. Uy. Ba't wala? Yun. Nanginginig ako. Yun, ganun. Yun, nanginig yung katawan ko dun. Alessia Bellini. Born and raised in Rome, beautiful city, but I needed a change of scenery. Hopefully, not longer than 3 weeks, I get hot here. And sister dancing. Uy. Reason, ma'am. Ang gulo mo Ang gulo mo. Ma'am, x-ray muna kita. Goods naman, ma'am. Kamagulo ha. Next po. Please. Gugulo na naman yan. Evening feels quiet in here tonight. Born in Norway, street. Spent most of my life near the coast. Leaving tomorrow, I just came drop of supplies. I'm not tour guide. Fisherman ka. Sabi ni. Duda ako sa'yo, sir. Bagal mo maglakad eh. Naglilinis ako, babariling kita dyan. Uy. Sir naman. Hindi nakakatuwa yan. Sir, hindi nakakatuwa yan, sir. Tandaan mo yan. Lang kamagulo Nilinis ako eh. To be a human. Hello, sir. Marco Alvarez. Hey there. Quiet night so far. I'm from Italy. I'm born and raised there. 1 week. Quick stay. The event lasts about 7 days. Job. I'm a chef. Been cook since I was kid. Reason. Cooking deputy here for cooking competition. Sir, tanggap na. Ayun, nakakatakot. Lobat na ako. Oh my god. Facing head. Night shift 3. Okay guys, another customer. Andre Lewis. You took from flight, United States. Only 1 week. At work waiting back home after that. Ano ba ang trabaho mo? Just visiting some friends out here, catching up. Si Boy Preso. Caleb Moore. Everything. Under control tonight? Yes, sir. I'm from the US. I grew up in the Texas. I'm sure don't tell us much about that. I am a machine operator long shift craft work. Then last week following direction. Mga goods na siya. Sir. Pwede na, absueldo ka na. You are next. Kung patayin kita, Okay, tumawa ka. Okay. Speedrunner to, boy. Okay, anything interesting happens, so kinakabahan nga ako, sir eh. Born and raised in the US. Until my replacement arrived, not sure that I served as sheriff back home, landing in a small department. Sir, na namang malinaw. Si sir, pasok na. Good night, sir. Ingat sa pag-uwi. Hello there, ma'am. Ganyan mukha mo, ma'am. Uy. Iba to ah. Hindi pwede yan, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Uy, yung natural na mukha. So, sir. Lu. Dati ka bang addict, sir? Ako na to. Ako na to. Oh. Peke. Kala ko, ano eh. Ako lang pala. Automatic na yun eh, yung mukha niya, tapos babae. Lalaki yung katawan niya yun. Manny Morio. New Orleans, USA. Okay, 5 months. Ano ito pang trabaho niyo? Hindi na kita papansin, boy. Demanding and creating in everything. I'm fashion designer. Different collection. Ano ba yan? Gulo mo ah. Tatrabaho ako ah. Nice and warm here compared to outside, yes. France. The sun always shine there. Lavender fields is very nice again. Just until things calm down. Let's just say consultant. Researching. Sabi sa'yo, ma'am, duda ako sa'yo eh. Oh, para face. Sabi na eh. Duda ako dun eh. Okay, next day. Hello, boss. You made it through all 3 shifts. Yes, sir. Very impressive. That is better than most. And guys, yung patunay na ng oras na. Alas 2 na. You really tried your best to protect our country. Yes, sir. Ako lang to, boss. You thought this was about safety, don't you? Yes, sir. It was not. Oh, no, it was not. Oh. Di ka ba, sir? Ano to? Mistake. Yes. Run. No, sir. Gogi. Yo, what the? Look. Uy, 100%. Wala na, retired na ako. Correctly detected humans. 13 by 13. Terminal 30. So, yun guys. Dito na tatapusin ang ating episode, no? Anong oras na? Kung nagustuhan nyo, 21 people. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating episode, no? Mag-subscribe na kayo sa ating channel sa YouTube. And, syempre, click nyo na yung notification bell dyan sa YouTube para lagi kang update sa mga videos natin. And, yun. Like nyo yung ating video, share, and comment para ma-shoutout ko kayo. And syempre, huwag nyo kakalimutan ng ating TikTok. No, dyan ako nagla-live pag depende pag natripan ko. No? Heart nyo yung mga videos natin doon, i-like nyo. And yun, follow nyo. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Bye-bye! Natapos ko na din ang madaling araw na laro natin.